Hi guys, Miss Spears here. So in this video, this is going to be a little weekly overview or weekly walkthrough type of video where I'm going to really quickly kind of give you a taste and a look at like what's ahead and what to expect for the week. This is our first week of distance learning officially, though it's short, just Thursday and Friday. And so there's a couple of things that I wanted to go over and make sure that you're aware of as we get started here. So what you're looking at right now, this is my virtual class. This is my little Bitmoji class, my little Bitmoji with my glasses. Hey. So this Bitmoji classroom, I just had too much fun with it, I think, and added a little ton of stuff. But it's pretty close to my style. And this is where I will be updating from week to week. Just some reminders for you guys that I'll put on the board over here. But also, it's a nice gathering place for all of the links to the different places that you will need to navigate to be successful in this class, right? So the important links here would be Schoology, Summit, CommonLit, which I'll explain more later, Zoom, Gmail for emailing me, YouTube for accessing my videos, and Flipgrid, which is another platform that we use, which is really great and I love. And then also the Purdue OWL MLA online writing lab. So that leads to there. So those ones are all the frequently used links, in addition to this little calendar right here, which leads you to the weekly and daily agenda. And I'm about to show you that in just a second. So I have one little class right here for English 1. I have my other one down below for English 1 Honors. And although they look exactly the same right now, as time goes on, they'll probably get changed and change up a little bit from here to there. And same thing, I also have my own mentor advisory class, and so these are some of my mentees and some of their important updates. And then this is a little sneak peek. The Coastal Book Nook is where I recorded my welcome video at, and I've got some things coming up in the future that I want to share about the Coastal Book Nook Library, but it's currently under construction, so coming soon, eventually. So first thing that I'm going to go through and show you, and first thing that you guys should actually always be doing at the beginning of the week as well too, is looking through the weekly and daily agenda slides. First we start out here with the weekly calendar, and this gives you your whole week overview. So hopefully you guys enjoyed meeting with your mentors on Monday and Tuesday. I know I missed my mentees a lot. It was nice to see them, even though it was, mask. But then also we had these new student orientation. Hopefully that was a lot of good information that you retained. I'm sure that it's a lot to absorb all at once, but have no fear. If we've got plenty of time, and we will definitely take our time going through and using all of these newfangled things as we get started for your freshman year, right? It's going to be exciting. But yeah, Thursday and Friday are the first days of school, and these are days that you are working from home, so that's what I titled it up here. You're working from home, no live classes, and these are all of the tasks that I would like you to do. And in yellow, and always in yellow, is when an assignment is due. So this particular task / assignment, if it's highlighted yellow, it means that it's due. And then I also write due right in front of there so that you can see, there's no mistaking it really. But otherwise, if it's not highlighted yellow, it's just a task that I would like you to do, so it's part of something that you need to do. So hopefully on Thursday you were watching my welcome video and this weekly overview video. Yay! All right, to get more into the nitty gritty, if the weekly view, still leaves you with a couple of questions on exactly what you need to do, I created these daily agenda pages, slides, just so that it goes, into the nitty gritty of day by day, exactly what you should be working on. So the daily agenda for Thursday, you can pop over here to this side where it says what we're doing today. First thing that you're doing is going to Schoology folder, distance learning week number 1. That is where you find everything here, okay? And also this will likely be updated with with links as well too, to all of this stuff. But right now it's not. So bear with me. Then exactly what was in the weekly calendar on the first page is over here for Thursday. You're watching a welcome video, weekly overview video. Then you're going to be doing the 2 assignments. The assignments to complete are the definition of me intro and the learning styles metaphor. Then I also write down here what the learning intentions and success criteria for, because those are definitely something that we want to make sure to keep in mind. Our learning intentions for this week is really just to begin navigating and learning how to use the Schoology platform for assignments and information, because it's just a little bit important. And so the success criteria is if you're able to turn in these first few assignments correctly, then you're on the right track. But if you have any trouble, feel free to reach out to me, Schoology message, email, either of those. I'll be happy to help you through on Thursday or Friday. So for Friday, you have different assignments and another different task to do. Your task for Friday is to review the summer reading assignment. I'm not asking you to, work on it really, but just like review and refresh your memory. Hopefully you already did it and worked on that little by little over the summer. But if you haven't, then maybe that's something that you do need to get started on. But the other 2 things are the Summit Scavenger Hunt and the syllabus quiz that are also in Schoology. And same learning intentions and success criteria here. So hopefully that's useful to you to help you keep on track with everything from day to day and week to week. In Schoology, just to show you really quickly where to find all of these things that I'm referring to, for both classes it looks exactly the same. So we have the English 1 class right here, and for English 1 I teach period 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then I also have my honors class that is period 5. So they look a lot alike, except this one has the picture that's changed to honors, and that's actually by design so that there's not too much confusion. So for both classes, you're always going to look for the green folder. The distance learning folders are always going to be colored green right here, and you can see there's all the weeks ahead, but you might not be able to see them from your view. That's just from my view. And so distance learning week 1, this is where all of the assignments are at. This is where the weekly overview video will be posted. This is where the weekly daily agendas are, and then this is where these 2 assignments are at as well too, these couple of assignments. So you know that the definition of me intro and the learning styles metaphors are both due Thursday, August 20th, and then we have the Summit Learning Scavenger Hunt and the syllabus quiz due on Friday the 21st. So good luck with all of those things, and please reach out to me and let me know if you do have any questions. Again, it's really, really straightforward and easy, and should be pretty simple to navigate. To get to the assignment, I'll show you real quick. You just want to click on that there, and then it'll load up. And this is what your assignment is. This is a discussion post, so just read these directions, follow these directions, and then you write your post below. For the other assignment as well too, I'm going to go through here. So say for the Summit Learning Scavenger Hunt, this one's set up in a slightly different way, but it's also pretty great. So this is what it looks like from my view. So it has this assignment right here, and you're going to want to click on this Google Doc, because this is what's going to open up for you, and this is where you complete your work. So make sure that you do that, and then when you submit it, I'll be able to see it over here in the in progress and submissions. Then lastly, I think that the other one to show you real quick, just so that you don't get confused, is the syllabus quiz. The syllabus quiz is a Google form. So when you click on this link, it'll take you to a separate Google form. And when that Google form is done and submitted, then you're good to go. Then you don't need to do anything else with this page on here in Schoology. You just needed to have it so that you could access this, okay? So that is it. If you have any questions, like I said, reach out. I know that it's the first week and things might seem a little bit scary, like you're not sure exactly what to do. I definitely feel for you guys. This is a very different time. But like I said, we can get through it no matter what. So, all right. I hope that you're excited, and because I know that I am. And I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.